if A comma B and C are three sets such that A intersection B is equal to A intersection C and A union B is equal to A union C, comma, then let us check which option is correct. They have given A intersection B is equal to A intersection C and A union B is equal to A union C as well. And let us check. From this question, just remove the screen little down. If X belongs to say C, okay, then if I take this part, to make it X belongs to this common port, let us suppose that X also belongs to A. If X belongs to C also, A also, shall X is going to be belonging to this part which is A intersection C? Is it true? Yes, because X belongs to C also, A also, so it is already there in a A and already there in a C. So shall I call it X is also part of the intersection part, here also, both, intersection is nothing but both, right? Again, from this, A intersection C is equal to A intersection B. So X is belongs to A intersection C means what? X is also belongs to A intersection B. Yes, are we clear about it? Because they both are equal. See, they have given it. Okay, anyway we already know X is belongs to A. X is belongs to some intersection, some means what? It also belongs to this also, this also. Anyway we have taken, we suppose that X is belongs to A, then X must be belongs to B, isn't it? If X belongs to B, then only X is belongs to A intersection B. Sir, how it has come? Because A intersection C is equal to A intersection B. From this I am taking it. So X anyway it is here in this. So shall I call it X is also belongs to B? Means what? I have taken, if X belongs to C, I have taken it and I have obtained it. That means what? X is belongs to C also and X is belongs to B also. That means what? If say this has 1, 2, 3 and this has a 1, 7, 8, then 1 is a X, that common part, right? So shall I call it C can be subset R equal to B, okay? If all elements are same, then I can call any X as any element. If only one element is common, I can take C is a subset R equal to this. Similarly, just by reversing it, can I call like this? From this, can I call like this? Say, if I am taking X belongs to B first, then suppose X is belongs to A, X is belongs to A, then taking the next step, since X belongs to A, X is belongs to A intersection B. This time we will get a intersection B because it belongs to B also, A also. And we have given A intersection B is equal to A intersection C. By replacing it, what I will get? X belongs to A intersection C as well. That means what? X belongs to A intersection C as well. X already belongs to A, I have taken, and it has to belongs to C now, so that this option is going to be correct, then only these two are correct. So X already belonged to B and now I obtained that X is belongs to C also. So what I can call? B is a subset R equal to C. So from this part, 1, let me call it 1 and 2, shall I call it 1 and 2, both from 1 and 2, C is a subset of B and B is a subset of C. So from these both, I can call it B is equal to C, right? Clear? This is a little longer method. There is a shortcut method for this. Regularly what we used to take is A is equal to some number you will take 1, 2 always, and B is equal to 2, 3 something like that, and remember it has to be one of them should be common. Why? Because A intersection B and A intersection C is involved, and C you have to take, suppose that it has to be belongs to 3 of them because A intersection B intersection C thing, something like that. So when I take like this, say 2, 3, okay, it has to be common, so 2 has to be common, something like that. Then take one of them so that you will get the answer. Sir, why we are taking 2, 3 again? Why not 2, 4? It has to satisfy this and this as well. Okay, then only it will be the correct answer. So what is the option from this? if B is less subset or equal to C and C is a subset or equal to B, from this both I can call B is equal to C. So which is our option? Let's check. Option number third, B is equal to C.